to the another review, Kronos Manager. So what is Kronos Manager? So Kronos Manager is very easy to set up. It's a cloud-based software and no downloads or install in your laptop to get the Kronos Manager. So you can access everything from your browser. So it's a breakthrough software, so which organizes your time and in a very few simple clicks and give you back all your freedom. So it's 100% newbie friendly. So where you can start it using within minutes. So it's basically a cloud-based software and no downloads or installs is required. So the main thing is like it is integrated with the Munchai and the calendar where you can create your own events where you are planning to do for your productivity, and you can make a notes, you can create a to-do list. All the things will be accessible available in Kronos Manager. So it's complete members area plus training you will be given, and there is no monthly fees. So during the launch, so everything is one-time fee. You can get it Kronos Manager by paying a one-time payment, and it has a 30-day money back guarantee as well. And we have the top-notch support. So this is me. I'm reviewing my own product, Sai Krishna, and my JV partner Jaylee. So we are launching the product Kronos Manager, where you can increase your productivity by using this software and make your business more productive and efficient. So the problem is, or all our lives is basically when you are working continuously for your business. So there is no auditable, which means like there is nothing like we can go back and see what we have done this day, what are the notes we have to make. You will be laying all the sticky notes on your desk might be. So all those things might miss someday because it's not a technology driven. So where you want to access these particular things in a application, what on this particular day, what is the event you have did. For example, you have created a review event, so you can create the events, schedule it, and remember what you have done in the past or in the future. So all these things will help you in keeping the audit of your business, and in the long run you can see the productivity and the efficiency of your business, which it can grow further, and you can slowly adopt the time. So because time is very important, it is the money, time is the money, and if you allocate the time perfectly, then you are doing good in your business. So grab the Kronos Manager if you want to increase your productivity and your time management very effectively. So this is how you can generate your income if you manage your time effectively. So this is all about. So you can see what others talks about Kronos Manager from Nick Roberts from New Zealand and Lucas from the London. So they have given you the feedback about how they use the Kronos Manager and how they generated their income with respect to the Kronos Manager. So if you are if you are interested in managing your own time as an assistant for you and don't want to miss your schedules and don't want to miss any review videos, so this is the right tool for you. Grab the Kronos Manager. I will attach the link in the description. So click on that, it will redirect to the sales page, so where you can get this Kronos Manager. So I just walk you through what Kronos Manager exactly gives for you as a takeaways. So Kronos Manager have four set of different tools. So one is the calendar. Calendar has two set of parts. One where first one is where you set up your events, and the second one is you can create a template. We'll talk about those things. Notes maker, where you can create your own notes, which says that I want a note to do this one, and you have a description, a lot of description saying that okay, I have, for example, Kronos Manager review. I have to prepare my email list. I have to get my all the email addresses onboarded. I have to create a newsletter, autoresponder, create my bonus pages. So everything you can mention in the notes for your particular review, and it will be stored. So it will be persistent. It cannot be lost forever. You can audit. Okay, I have created this notes. You can take that note for any future references and the past references, and the to-dos. So to-dos is the main thing where you can do on that particular time point of time. So for a day you can create a to-do and say that I want to do this particular thing on this particular time of this day. So once it is done, you can check it and you can delete that particular to-do. So audit is not required for to do. It's just like do, done. That's all. And the upcoming products, which is the main important integrated Munchai to the Kronos Manager. So where you can access all the upcoming launches of Munchai in the same interface of Kronos Manager, and you can see the Warrior Plus calendar, which will be another integrated UI element in there, where you can access and click and use the Kronos Manager using the Munchai and everything. So we will go through each of these things. So Kronos Manager comes with a running themes, like you can go for, if you are interested in going for dark team, or you are more intense of dark team, you can select the dark team. If you are interested, if your eyes gaps more on the light theme, then go for the light theme, and you have the set of colors where you can select. So this is how you can change the tools. So let's talk about the upcoming products. So these are the Munchai integration which I have been mentioning about the Kronos Manager. You can see the Munchai has been integrated to the Kronos Manager and the Warrior Plus and the JV Zoom. So you can see the upcoming launches in the Kronos Manager. So you can take one of the upcoming launch, for example, the Kronos Manager itself. So you have planned for a review. So let's take, you can click on this and you can read it to the JV page, and all those things can be happen, which Kronos Manager gives you create events and manage your events and access the latest products, cloud-based web software and Android event scheduler. So you can grab the your affiliate links and everything and go to calendar. So my suggestion is like first create a template, because template is very important, which it will improve your time efficiency in always typing the things in the description. So this template, what this template basically does is like it will create a base description. Let's say example, you have your Warrior Plus link. Once it is approved, you have to paste it. Every time you have to go, when you are scheduling a calendar, you have to go and you have to type all these things. Instead of that, we are creating a done for you template, which means like you have to give some information here, like what you would like to give. So for example, Warrior Plus link, every time I create an event, this should come. And YouTube link, if we are keeping a review in the YouTube, you will always says that YouTube link, so the link should be there, and etc. Whatever convenient for you, you will add the information in this template. Once the information has been added, you will click on save, or the template will be created, and it will display like this by default template. So next you go for the scheduling, and you select any date, or you click on plus. So this will automatically brings the description here, whatever the template you have given, done for your template. So the complete template will be displayed here. You just have to attach your links. That's how we have to do for individual events. So where you can add your title, for example, the review, product review, where location you can call it as Warrior Plus, or the sign up link for that Warrior Plus, and the which date you would like to promote this product. So the date you can select from this picker and click OK and click on save. So that is how the event scheduling, where you can audit. So you can see the calendar, you can see the lot of different events which were created, and you can see the differences. For example, 19th I have 3 different events which I have to manage. So everything will be displayed. You can even edit, delete, or you can go back and create new one. So whatever it is, it will be convenient for you. It can be 2 weeks schedule, it can be a week schedule, it can be a month schedule. Based on your interest, you can change that. You can go previous months, you can go forward months, everything can be done. It's like a calendar where you can have complete audit of your reviews or your business basically. So notes maker, so this is how the notes maker is basically says what you are going to do. For example, I am doing a Kronos Manager review. I will say that I have to get my email list ready. I have to create a newsletter for my autoresponder. I have to um, do a YouTube review video. So everything you can mention here in your to-do list for the audit purpose, what you have done for the Kronos Manager. So same thing it will be applied for your next product. You can enhance, you can work out, all these things can be done. So to-dos are most interesting. It's like a one-time activity. You can create saying that you have a big activity. It's not like a related to the launch, but you have something to do with respect to your daily life or something to do with respect to funnels. For example, if you are learning new thing, you can say that learn time management. For example, you have to schedule your time management thing. So once you create that one, you can see here. Once you are done with that one, you can check box. If you are unsure that it's not done, you can uncheck, and you can even delete the to dos which is done, and no need of getting the to dos again and again. So there is a feature to get a full screen out of it and make it a maximize and minimize your screens in the console in the software itself. So that's all about the to dos and all, guys. I mean Kronos Manager basically. So this is very important when you want to schedule your events or when you want to schedule your own time effectively and productivity for your business. So important thing is like you can get auditable for this one, and it's very easy to use and very convenient for you to get the event schedule and everything for your business. So plan ahead, delegate yourself to the time, and prioritize the events time, which one is required, and select a measurable goals. And so then you can slowly see the growth behind yourself for your business, because that is the time is the most efficient way of getting the things. And take a look at the demo of Kronos Manager. So Kronos Manager available in the mobile version for the OTO one, upsell one, and there is a Kronos Manager Plus where you will get the Pomodoro technique, how you can use your time effectively using the Pomodoro technique. And Kronos Manager upsell number 3 is get on one-to-one and get a support from us, VIP support, and you can ask any questions to us like internet marketing, how you want to grow your business with respect to Kronos Manager, anything. And upsell number 4 is more related to launching a product with us. If you want anything, if you have an idea and if you want to get a sales page build and everything, we are happy to help you. So that is the launch number upsell number 4. So there are few bonuses which you will get from the Kronos Manager, which will be available in the members area. So go grab the link. Thanks for watching the review video. We'll get back with another review video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the review. Thanks. Yeah.